This is an incredible sight. Thousands of cattle are being moved onto the Nada, one of the largest livestock carriers in the world, right here in Rio Grande.
Keep them moving, let's go! Watch the gate on the left. Pull that rope tight. Watch the gate on the left. Keep them moving up the ramp.
This is the heart of the nighttime operation, a colossal vessel designed for one purpose, moving thousands of head of livestock across the globe. This bright, wide shot captures the scale of the operation here at the harbor. With the majestic mountains in the distance, the team in
All right, men, lean into it. Ah! Together now, heave!
We need to verify the ventilation logs for the last 24 hours.
I understand, but the system was just serviced yesterday.
Yep.
It seems to be in order. Just ensure the paperwork is updated.
All right, move up. Let's go, let's go. Keep them moving. Keep them moving. Watch the ramp. All right, next group coming through. Get on up there. Keep moving. Let's go. Come on, move up. Let's go, let's go. Keep moving, let's go. Steady on the rope there, watch the gate. We are clear.
Move along now, keep moving. Watch yourselves.
Here at the City Port Street, the logistics of moving livestock through this urban industrial zone are complex. These trucks are essential for transport.
Back it up slowly now, watch the edge. Okay, you are good to go, all clear.
Welcome to the loading hub. As you can see, the Hereford and Charolais cattle are moving smoothly through the central chute onto the symmetrically docked trailers.